Hi guys, welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to show you the Indus Valley Tri-ply stainless steel cookers. It is entirely made of 3 layers of metal from base to rim. These stainless steel pressure cookers are induction safe and are made of high quality and durable material. So without any further delay, let's start the unboxing. This is how the packaging came from the Indus Valley, and it has two cookers inside, one of 5 and 3 liters of capacity. So let's open it quickly. It came like this. It is covered with this thick bubble wrap. This is the invoice. So these are the two cookers which I've got. This one is of 3 liter of capacity and this one is of 5 liter. Let's open them individually. So I'm starting with this cooker which is of 3 liter of capacity and it weighs around 1.8 kg. So inside this you get the user manual. So everything is written here, you can see, and this is a warranty card. So in this one they are providing the cool touch whistle. This is how the cooker looks. The packaging is done very nicely. You can see that each part of the cooker is nicely packed. Now I will open this 5 liter capacity of cooker, which weighs around 2.4 kgs and it also has a 5-year warranty. Same things are provided inside the user manual, the invoice. These cookers are actually very nice. They are 100% chemical free and they have no harmful toxin coatings. The base is induction safe and the depth is also very nice. You can cook for around 5 to 6 people easily in this cooker. So these stainless steel cookers are definitely a thumbs up. You should try using it once. So that's it. I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching it.